Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We just got back from Walmart. We picked up a couple of Transformers. Here's one of them. It's called Transformers Rescue Bots Academy. It's put out by Playskool. This one's called Wedge the Construction-Bot. Looks like it transformed into some type of a construction vehicle. So let's see what we can do with it. It's very interesting. Transforms into some type of a construction vehicle. You can see it right there. We'll get it opened up and we'll show you how it transforms. Alright, here's Wedge. Let's see what we can do to open him up. There's a tie down right there. Oh, the whole thing's just that one tie down. Okay. There he is. And it shows the directions on the bottom. Looks like move the head and everything turns. Let's see what we can do here. Alright. Oh, there it is. Grab the head and he tilts like that into the truck. There it is. Alright. Alright, looks like to fold it back up, you just pull the head out right there and he folds back like that. There he is. Alright. Do that one more time. Push the head down and then he folds like this. There he is. Construction vehicle. Get him back open. Pull the head and he unfolds just like that. There's your robot. There he is, Wedge the Construction-Bot. I guess the trouble I was having, I needed a 6-year-old to show me how to do it. Oh well, we got it. See you next time.